Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dissect corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into Plymouth Industrial REIT's latest Form 8K. It's a treasure trove of information including a new share buyback program, so buckle up, it's gonna be a ride. So, Plymouth Industrial REIT, which we will refer to as just the company, filed this report on February 26, 2025. This type of filing, an 8K, is used to inform investors about major events that could affect the company and is like a corporate bat signal. First up, let's talk about how the company performed financially. They released their earnings for the fourth quarter and the whole year of 2024. You can find all the nitty-gritty details in Exhibit 99.1 of this report. Basically, they're telling the world how much money they made and spent. Investors use this to decide if they want to invest, sell, or hold on to their stock. It's important to note that the information in this section isn't officially filed in the same way as some other documents, meaning it comes with a slightly different level of legal responsibility for accuracy. Next, the company also put out a supplemental analyst package and some prepared commentary. These are like cheat sheets and talking points for analysts and investors who really want to dig deep into the numbers. You'll find these goodies in Exhibits 99.2 and 99.3. Similar to the earnings release, this information isn't considered officially filed. Now let's get to the really interesting part, the share repurchase program. The company's board has given the thumbs up to buy back up to $90 million worth of its own stock. This is a big deal. When a company buys back its own shares, it reduces the number of shares available on the market. Basic supply and demand suggests this can drive up the price of the remaining shares. It's a way for the company to invest in itself and potentially boost shareholder value. The company can repurchase at any time, directly or indirectly. The company mentions that how they choose to buy back shares depends on various things such as what is allowed by the law, price, economic, and market conditions. Finally, let's talk about the exhibits. These are the supporting documents that provide the details behind the headlines. Exhibit 99.1 is the earnings release, 99.2 is the supplemental analyst package, and 99.3 is the prepared commentary. Exhibit 104 contains some code related to the filing. So what does all this mean? Well, let's break it down. The company is making moves to increase investor confidence with the repurchase program. If the company thinks its shares are undervalued, it's generally good news. On the other hand, the earnings information and supplemental data were not filed for legal purposes. Overall, this filing paints a picture of a company that is actively managing its financial position and trying to increase its investor appeal. Of course, it's important to do your own research and not rely solely on these filings to make investment decisions. Look at the competitive market, understand the risks, and evaluate if the company is heading in a good direction. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more corporate deep dives.